Good day, ma'am. My name is Janday B. Bangkal from BPA2B. Today, I will assign to tackle about a note receivable account. What is note receivable account? It is a written promise that a customer or another party will pay a specific amount of money to a business at a future date. It usually comes with interest and has a formal agreement. Example of this agreement is a promissory note. This is different from account receivable, which is usually just an informal promise to pay, like customer buying on a credit without a written note or agreement. For example, your company sells equipment worth 50,000 to a customer. Instead of paying cash right away, the customer signs a promissory note agreeing to pay the 50,000 plus 5% interest after 6 months. Your company records 50,000 as notes receivable. After 6 months, you will receive 50,000 plus 1,250 interest, and the total payable of a customer is 51,250 in total. Some businesses use notes receivable. It is because to make sure that the customers has a legal promise to pay and to earn income, and lastly to give customers more time to pay while still protecting the business.